neighbors up here combining, and we're just getting this grass hay mowed. Starting to get a few raindrops. The wind is blowing like, I don't know, probably 35, 40 miles an hour. Maybe 30. It's sure blowing hard though. And this thin grass, it's kind of blowing it away. You can see the pivot over there in the corn. I'm just glad the pivot's on. Holy moly, is it blowing. Well, hopefully it doesn't rain very much. My lever's ahead. I'm trying to drive this one-handed. This Case H gets a little goofy trying to get lined up. I'm not exactly sure why. There's kind of a clearing in the storm that way, so I'm hoping it'll miss us. Well, so far so good. Maybe it won't amount to much. The tractor's staying nice and cool, so that's nice. And this hay actually looks pretty good. You can see the alfalfa's all blooming, but we were waiting for the grass to kind of, I don't know, do something. We could have cut it last week, but I was kind of hoping these stormy days might make the grass grow an inch or two more. And I think it did. At least down in the alfalfa, the grass really did good. It stayed cool. But up there where the alfalfa is no longer, it just didn't grow as good. Probably needs some nitrogen as well, but it hasn't gotten much love for a long time. It's better than the weeds that have been here for a few years. Finally, the grass is getting established. Well, till next time.